Hi, and welcome. I am Bert Schulze and part of the SAP S/4HANA Product Success Organization, heading the S/4HANA Early Adopter and Customer Care programs, as well as S/4HANA Co-Innovation. Our S/4HANA Customer Care and Regional Implementation Group has supported nearly 1,000 S/4HANA implementations, either greenfield or brownfield. And we focus on sharing our hands-on experience with others to make each implementation a success. This time, we'd like to dedicate a complete openSAP course on the experience we gained and want to share around the business partner for SAP S/4HANA conversion topic. This will come in a nutshell format. The business partner concept in S/4HANA differs from the concept in SAP's former ERP solutions to reflect the increased opportunities of a digitally transformed economy. If you consider running a system conversion to SAP S/4HANA, the business partner concept adoption is a major milestone of your preparation steps. We recommend the course ahead of the conversion. We're going to provide a full transparency and guide you step by step through the preparational tasks within your existing system, as well as during and after the conversion. And if you're keen, you are able to even experience these activities in a sandbox system, in your own SAP appliance library. This course is preliminary, targeting SAP customers and partners ahead of the first system conversion, to be prepared and prevent the risk of any surprises or potential project delays. The business partner model as such is not new. Nevertheless, did the experience show that it has been one of the most frequent parts of a conversion that has been underestimated regarding effort and impact. This course will be presented by various hands-on product experts from the SAP Regional Implementation Group. This is a nutshell course and will be open for 5 weeks. You get access to the entire learning content and can do the course assignment anytime during this period. The learning effort is approximately 5 to 9 hours in total. Learners interested in complementing the course with a hands-on experience can deploy an own dedicated SAP Cloud Appliance Library, as mentioned before. This is a strongly recommended step to deepen the knowledge, but not required to pass this course. The course will be complemented by an online forum. This is our offer to you to interact with our hands-on team. The product experts from the SAP S/4HANA RIG will be available for discussion and answer your questions. We invite you to leave comments and share your ideas with other learners as well. And if you earn the required points in the course assignment, you'll earn a course certificate called Record of Achievement and a digital badge that you can share across your entire social networks. Enroll now, and I'm sure you enjoy this openSAP course. See you soon at the start and finish line of the course.